It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday morning, August 17th. I'm James Spann. How about a wet weather pattern developing for Alabama here in the midst of August? Summer rain can be inconvenient, but it's pretty much a good thing, too. Let's go in there and check it out. There is an upper low that is formed just west of the state. You know, the models hinted at this last week. Well, there it is. And that thing will just kind of meander around and keep us unsettled, at least for the next 5 days. The good news, we don't expect any organized severe weather with this feature. We got some flash flood watches for parts of the nation's midsection, and a big trough coming out of the northern Rockies could kick off severe storms later today and tonight for the western high plains. And then tomorrow, a severe weather risk from near Amarillo, Texas, up to Des Moines, Iowa. But all of that stays north and west of the state. In fact, I don't think that front makes it through here. But rain, yes, this is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through the beginning of the weekend, about 2 inches on average in some spots, maybe even seeing a little more. And off in the tropics, we have some action finally in the Atlantic Basin. A little tropical wave is southwest of the Cape Verde Islands. This is in the far eastern Atlantic, but there's actually a chance this might develop in coming days. We'll keep an eye on that thing. The NHC guys are suggesting a better than 50% chance of this becoming a tropical depression, maybe by midweek. So it's just something to watch. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is valid today at 1 o'clock, and we've got that upper low that's west of the state. Pretty strong trough coming down across the northern plains. The bottom line is the pattern really changing, and that's going to break the hot weather for much of the country, except for the desert southwest. And for us, a deep pool of moisture. The upper low means a good chance of rain and storms today with highs only in the low, maybe mid-80s. That's almost 10 degrees below average. Tomorrow, we stay unsettled, a good chance of showers and storms. And no, it's not going to rain all day, and the sun might peek out at times, but looks pretty wet with mid-80s. We note that deep surface low near Omaha, Nebraska, and severe storms are possible south and east of that feature. Wednesday, the surface low is up around the Great Lakes, under 1,000 millibars with a trailing front, but we are in very moist air. The upper low hangs around, same thing. Showers and storms are likely. Thursday, the front approaches Little Rock, Jackson, Tennessee, Louisville, but it's not going to make it down here, so we stay moist with at least scattered showers and storms, and the same thing on Friday. So again, every day this week, a pretty decent chance of getting wet. And I don't think we see 90 until maybe the weekend. In fact, here's a look at Saturday. We've still got that weakness west of the state, and again, a pretty good moisture pool. So same thing Saturday, probably upper 80s, scattered, maybe numerous showers and storms. This is some very beneficial rain we're getting here. And then Sunday, evidence maybe the showers thinning out a little bit, and by Monday of next week, a week from today, a big 594 heat ridge begins to expand. Heights are coming up, so it looks like for next week, the chance of rain goes down and the heat levels come back up. This is the end of the forecast toward the middle of next week, Wednesday the 26th, the 594 heat ring, centered north of the state over places like Indianapolis and Cincinnati. And we are underneath that, so again, we'll have scattered showers and storms with low 90s likely. Temperatures for the next 15 days, highs in the 80s this week, then we go back in the low 90s next week. And again, the anomalies here, this is August 24th through August 30th, with us being above average, but if that's the case, it will not be by much. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. We'll be traveling today. I'll be in Oklahoma, so just one video per day today and tomorrow. But forecast notes in the blog by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch Megan Thomas on ABC 3340 News this evening in my place at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.